Ito po yung ating 2 buwan na manok Pinoy. Nasa brooding pen pa. And it's feeding time. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. And isang bagay na dapat tandaan ng mga nag-aalaga ng manok, lalo pag nakakulong yung manok, nasa confined area. Kung nagpapakain kayo ng 7 o'clock in the morning or 7 to 8, dapat consistent. Dapat everyday ganun ang oras na papapakain niyo. 7 to 8 in the morning or 4 to 5 in the afternoon. You should be consistent. Hindi pwedeng ma-delay ang pagkain ng sisiw sapagkat magkakaroon sila ng stress. Magbabago yung kanilang eating habits and mananamlay sila. So that's a tip that I would like to share with you. Feed consistently. Kung 7 to 8 ang feeding time mo, dapat 7 to 8 in the morning. Ganun dapat palagi ang feeding mo.